away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Nestled amongst the lush green hills of Panauti lies the Eden of knowledge, where young minds grow, learn and excel, encouraging young minds to engage, cultivating growing minds to reach exceptional heights, excelling beyond the classrooms, sharing the warmth and bond of a family, comfort that makes you feel at home, enriching experiences through sustainable learning and practice, nurturing amidst nature for a promising future. Admissions open from grade 4 to 9. Malpi International School, Panauti.